Phuket in Thailand is famous for island tours. This James Bond Island tour is one of the best island hopping tours we did in Phuket. In this video, I have summarized my visit to James Bond Island, a trip where we visit 4 islands and do lot of canoeing and swimming. Island hopping means visiting different islands in a day as part of a day tour. As Phuket is very near to many beautiful islands of Andaman Sea in Thailand, the major part of the tourism in Phuket is this island hopping only. In this island hopping tour, we explored bat caves while kayaking, kayaked in beautiful lagoons, and last but not the least, we visited the famous James Bond Island. We often hear the name Phuket associated with the James Bond Island tour by Big Boat, as it is most easily arranged and departs from there. So this island hopping tour is a day trip which takes around 10 to 12 hours depending upon the weather conditions and other variables. As part of this tour, all the tour operators send a pickup van to hotel itself. Our vehicle came around 7 am in the morning. After picking up other people who booked the same tour, we have to travel for an hour to our pier from where the boat tour starts. Our pier is the place where the boat ride starts. We need to give our details here and wait for some more time until all the people boarding the boat are assembled here. Here you can buy phone covers, swimwear, etc. and get yourself ready for the tour. Once all the people boarding the boat reach the pier, our journey as group starts on this bus. We will cross the bridge in the bus and reach the boat. We booked this tour on Big Boat, and this tour has canoeing and kayaking option. You can book tours which take you straight to James Bond Island without any kayaking. So different options has different tariffs. The most popular one of all these tours is via Big Boat, where you visit 4 islands along with James Bond Island, and which includes kayaking and canoeing. I have provided the link of the tour I have booked in description. The price of this tour is 1900 baht per person. So in this tour, the snacks and cool drinks are provided without any extra charges throughout the trip on the boat itself.
Superman.
As the boat slowly moves towards the islands, the excitement fills the air, with tour operator explaining the trip itinerary and details about each island we are going to visit.
Alone today, okay? I hope you remember our company when you go back home, alright? We hope you're happy and enjoy together. Everyone remember number on your sticker. What's your number? You remember when they call you, when they say number, that means number on your sticker today, okay? Number 1, show me your hand.
Okay. Number 2.
Hello, number 2, okay, 3, 4.
After 1 hour, we reach the first island called Panak Island. This island is famous for its incredible stalactites, caves and lagoons. So here we will kayak inside the caves of this island, which are created by tides. Some caves are very narrow and dark, so a guide comes with torchlight along with us and take us around these caves. Using our flashlights, we could see the cave walls around us. The stalactites inside caves are very beautiful. And about midway through the cave, we encountered the bats, hundreds of them sleeping above our heads. So this kayak inside Panak Island is very unique experience because you kayak inside a dark cave with zero visibility and hundreds of bats inside it. After Panak, we visited Hong Island, which is famous for Hong Lagoon, which is also called Honeymoon Lagoon. This can be accessed only by boat through a narrow opening. A trip by kayak to this lagoon is an unforgettable experience. The trees in lagoon form a love shape and hence locals named it as Honeymoon Lagoon. The water here is calm and clear, and the surrounding limestone cliffs are a breathtaking sight to watch. At this point, I need to mention about our tour operators. I booked this tour via travelist.com. The crew of boat are very professional and friendly. They let us take our own time and spend more time kayaking in these lagoons. No rush to get back to boat, and it was really a pleasant and peaceful trip.
For you over there.
So after Hong Island, we stopped at a point which is the swimming point. The boat was stopped near an island and it was the time for diving and swimming. It was really a very good swimming point, and if you are adventurous enough, you can swim all the way up to the shore of the island and enjoy the view from there. After swimming, lunch was provided on the boat while cruising to the James Bond Island. After an hour ride, we arrived at James Bond Island, which got famous after 1974 James Bond film, The Man with Golden Gun. We need to shift to longtail boat to visit this island, and it was fun to get into and get out of this longtail boat at this island. The islands feature limestone rock, and its unique shape has become its trademark, attracting countless travelers from around the globe. It has the iconic 20-meter long nail-shaped rock standing just offshore, offering spectacular views on one side of the island. On the other side of the island, there is a beautiful beach from where you can get breathtaking views of the bay. After spending an hour on this James Bond Island, we started our return journey. So the return journey is around 1 hour from the James Bond Island to our pier. And from our pier, the vans are available which will drop us at the hotel. This James Bond Island tour gives you a unique experience. Kayaking in beautiful lagoons and dark bat caves is a unique way to explore the islands, which something I have never experienced before. I hope you like this video about James Bond Island. If you have any queries about tour operator or pricing, please do drop a comment. I'll come back with another video about another place. Until then, happy traveling.